Let's boil eggs in air fryer between 7 and 12 minutes. Let's get the first one out. Well, that's not the best. Anyways, let's start the 9-minute one. Not the best peel, but still okay. Last two. The 11-minute one is very hard to peel. Shell is so sticky. And the last one. Once again, keeping it for 12 minutes is quite challenging to peel. Half of the egg is gone. Alright, let's cut them and see what the results will be. This one is quite runny. That looks good. They both are almost same. Yolk is pretty moist. Comes the 11-minute. The yolk has dried up quite a bit. Minute as well. Tell me guys, which one do you like, and I can do another video as well. Cheers. Bye. My personal one is this. Let's enjoy it.